Like when I did the video of President Obama and drug lord Chapo Guzman, pictured on CNN as one of the top 100 influential people in the world. I got this huge, a lot of response. And one of the responses that really sort of surprised me was the fact that this drug lord Chapo Guzman is a folk hero, because many of the comments that I received in Spanish, this particular video was in Spanish, were about him and praising him in one form or the other, actually as being kind of a folk hero for being able to stand up against the oppressive authorities. Now, I'm not going to even begin to get into where he fits in that scheme of things. Being partially Mexican myself, I have a different opinion of that. But I think what surprised me, though, was the particularly young men, how they viewed Chapo Guzman not as a drug lord, as a criminal, as a fugitive now, but as a folk hero. And certainly in his where he's from, which I think is Sinaloa, supposedly they have a hard time tracking him because the people that live in those areas view him as a folk hero also. In other words, he's brought schools and hospitals to them, and the government wasn't able to do that.
So he has done that. That's why.
Right. And so the drug lords are very careful to not antagonize the common people. They're not after. They're not. That's why. If you talk to a Mexican, about the drug wars, most of them aren't affected directly, unless they're actually involved in something.